In this video, I'll show you how to create heat maps with pivot tables in Looker Studio so you can quickly identify patterns, trends, and outliers in your data. This combination allows you to compare values across 2 dimensions while using color intensity to highlight performance. To begin, open your report in edit mode and click Add a Chart from the top toolbar. Then select Pivot Table with Heatmap and place it on your canvas. Next, in the Data panel on the right, choose your data source and assign a row dimension and a column dimension, such as date, category, or region. Then add a metric like revenue, sessions, or conversions, and the table will automatically populate with color shading based on values. After that, adjust aggregation settings like sum or average, depending on your analysis. You can also sort rows and columns to make insights easier to spot. For better clarity, customize the color scale in the style settings to improve contrast and readability. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.